Mga kababayan!
Ano ginagawa mo?
I'm cooking eggs, like,
What are you doing?
Meron ditong ano,
for our
cooking show.
guest.
May cooking show mamaya.
With our guest, Cristel.
Master Chef
Si
Jose.
ano ito, si Ellen Adarna.
And, like,
Itlog.
what else?
Saka egg.
Wala akong ibang ginawa kundi ano yun lang si Michael. Ginikising ko na ginikising yung ginawa ko.
Lulot tayo ng sinangag.
Anak, magpali ka nga.
20 katao ang ating papakainin ngayong umaga. Diba? Para kami may restaurant, diba? Wait lang. Lang.
Binuhay mo? Pogi, oh. Ang pogi ng chef namin.
Oh. Okay.
Ano yan, sir?
So, kain na.
I'll bring it to your house because I forgot. Your daddy is always on the rush. I put it in my car. But when I look at the back, daddy's not there already. So my present is left.
Hello, bread. Hi.
Birthday boy. You're on YouTube now. No, call me.
Ang aming breakfast.
Brent, later, I did Tita Ganda didn't forget. You will have a games for your birthday, okay? I'm just very, very tired yesterday because it's very, very hot.
Paliwanag. Grab a chair here, okay?
No, I'm gonna sit there lang. Saan ka?
Kain na tayo. Ito ang aking pagkain. Kain tayo.
Hindi nung nasa Pilipinas, medyo pamayat nga siya, di ba? Pero mas mataba siya last camping. Pek, mas mataba ka last camping.